well. What? Oh. Why did she fall?
That big rock.
How did it get there?
It was once a bigger rock, but it was broken down.
Why did it break?
It's called weathering. It happens so you don't have so many big rocks.
I don't understand.
Weathering is when rock is broken down by wind, water, ice, heating, and cooling.
Cool, now I get it. What was that?
That's erosion. That's when rocks are picked up and carried away.
Why does it happen?
It happens because of wind, gravity,